What up, bro?
Damn.
Bro, get this hardware.
All right.
Up to like Home Depot, whatever it takes to put on these door panels we got behind us.
Oh, all right. So what? I assume you upgrading door panels?
Like more like existing door panels now.
Nice.
Yeah.
So there's a little story about Alex's SC400. We'll get to that right now in a bit. But for right now, let's go get these. Let's go get this hardware, huh?
Hardware, bro.
Let's go get this hardware.
Bolts and nuts and junk.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. By the way, let's start the video. That's always a treat, man, when you live by race service.
Yeah, I live by there, so.
Yeah. On with the video.
I found my match. It was in pretty well. Too well.
Is that the right size, though?
Yeah, I can't get it back out now because man, it's in there tight now.
What are you doing now?
Well, that's the little tabs for the doors. So I think it's a 632. But yeah, I think this one I squeezed it out. I might have broke it.
Why are Lex so fucking complicated?
Because all best things come with complications.
You stupid. You got your hardware.
Yes, sir.
Are we all ready to go?
Yes, sir. Ready to do this thing. Thing.
Oh, kicked it up a little bit.
Slow thing.
All right, guys, so we're back home, and take a look at these all black SC400 door cards. Really clean. Fucking, it's gonna make the car look that much better. He's working on getting that black dash, getting those black rear seats, black carpet, just pretty much black it all out. But man, that's clean. Check out the other side. Here's the other side. Same as the other side, just clean. Good pickup, dude. Before we start this little install, you want to tell them what happened to your car?
Well, some old man in a minivan decided to brake check me, and I'm making a right turn, and I didn't have enough time to actually stop, before, so I ran into him. So yeah, I had a major uplift now, like the whole front end pretty much got messed up, but now she's back to the way she was, but better, in my opinion. That's a 95 front end. This car's a 92, so it's original 92, but upgrade the bumper to a 95, pretty much same hood, just the bumper and the right headlight and the fog lights, they're off a 95, I'm guessing, because I think the mines are plastic. I'm not sure, I have to check, but mines look a lot yellower and these look a lot clearer and they're glass. So,
And you're talking about like these, right?
right, the fog light, the high beams, sorry, the fog lights changed too. That's what I was trying to get at next.
The fog lights changed to the 92s don't have this line that goes through here. The 95s do, and also the light bulb changes on the inside too,
Which I redid, but I have to buy the light bulbs, but everything else is there for it. So it's just ready for some new light bulbs. And oh yeah, I also got these
Put the hood latch pins on.
yeah,
Nice. Got the car repainted,
the whole front
so
end.
it's looking pretty clean.
Yep, just getting there. Soon enough, I'm gonna get it wrapped. The whole car wrapped. I don't know what color yet. That'll be a surprise, but for sure, it's gonna look dope.
This door card is pretty much complete. On to the next one. You done yet?
Working on some little details. So yeah, pretty much done.
Nah, it looks solid. So I look from the driver's side. Damn, it's clean.
Yeah. What do you guys think? You guys like? You guys do like and subscribe. You know, hit that notification bell. Keep posted, because for sure more things are going to come for the SC. You know, engine wise and well, the diffs and all the good stuff for drifting. But I'm probably not gonna drift it as much because I don't want to crash it like most of these guys do on the track. But I probably am gonna find an open lot where I can't crash into anything and let it rip.
And watch you crash into something.
That'd be funny.
Fuck it. Well, tomorrow we're gonna be heading to the junkyard. It's 40% off. So I'm gonna sneak the camera into the junkyard.
Yup. And to conclude this message, that's a wrap.
It's the wrong channel.
For sure, it's the wrong channel.